This video is going to show you how to do residual plots on your calculators. In the last class, we had talked about iPhone data, and in our stat menu, I have this entered in from that lesson. So if you look over here, in both these calculators, I have the years since 2007 and the number of iPhones sold, and the same thing over here. So to get a residual plot, the first thing you have to do is you have to calculate a line of best fit. So we're going to go back into stat and we're going to go over to calc and we choose option 8, linear regression a plus bx, or just press the number 8. And we don't have to calculate or store it. Just go ahead and we'll calculate it here. We don't have to store it, that's what I meant to say. And you might remember this equation, negative 12.632 plus 1.605x, same thing here. Once you have the line of best fit, the linear regression made, then you're going to go back into your stat. You're going to go to edit. And you're going to go to list 3. Go up to the top of the list. Make sure it's highlighted. After that, you'll press second stat. You see where it says list there? Second stat. And second stat. And once you've calculated your linear regression, this list shows up, residual. Go to that option or just press the number 7. And you're going to put your residuals right in the list. So you don't have to calculate them by hand. We have our original values, our residuals, and our predicted values we can get from the, just plug it into the formula. But there are your residuals. Now to do a residual plot, once you do a residual plot, you're going to plot L1 against L3. So we do our explanatory against your residuals. So go to your y equals, turn your plot on for scatter plot, and make sure your y list is L3. That's your residuals, so second 3. And then do a zoom 9. Every time you do new data, do zoom 9. And there it is. Again, turn your plot on. Make sure your y list is L3. And do a zoom 9. So there's your residual plot. And then you can press trace and you can get the values from there if you want to. All right.